Yeah, sales tax, state sales tax, T is directly proportional to retail price P. An item that sells for $170 has a sales tax of $10.22, $10.22. Find a mathematical model that gives the amount of sales tax T in terms of the retail price P. Okay. Well, if I were to find the sales tax right here, I would take the amount of tax and divide it by the dollars. That would give me the unit rate for the sales tax. I'm trying to think if that'd give me percentage. I don't think it would. I have to change it into a percent probably. Whatever, doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is we got to have that mathematical model. So when it says mathematical model, it's talking about a function T of P on this one. Okay, so that means we got to have a P somewhere in here, but really it's just the price. You just multiply it by the sales tax. And the sales tax, should be the amount of the tax. Tax percent, I guess, would be taking the tax, which was the 10.22, and dividing it by, not a total doesn't seem like the right word. I guess the price, sales price, I guess price. Okay, so I know I can just take the price of whatever the item is and just multiply it by this, because that would give me the tax as a percent. So that's going to be $10.22. That was the tax. I don't need labels here, by the way, and divide it by the item, whatever the item's price was, which was 170 bucks. Okay, now that should make sense, right? Because it wanted the, let's see, fundamental model, sales tax. Yeah, we wanted the sales tax, so you need the tax per dollar spent on this one. But this gives us the mathematical model. Now we can use that model to find what the sales tax would be on 270 bucks. And I'm doing this knowing that you probably wouldn't actually do this formula, even if you were trying to find your own sales tax while you're shopping for some reason. But now you know you could. So now we got T of P. So let's set this function up. Okay, so I have exactly the same formula right here. But now I have a price of something. We want to know the sales tax on a $270 purchase. So the P now is 270. 270. And this P right here also 270. So I can get my calculator out. I'll use the fraction button, just because I guess that's kind of. By the way, I put this in the calculator. I got a really ugly decimal. That's why I'm using that as a fraction. But 10.22 over 170, 270. Almost used the original number there, didn't I? 270 now. No, it's this 170. I take back everything I just said. Now multiply that by 270. Enter, and we get another ugly decimal. That's okay. I got 16.231. So that I'm just going to round to the nearest hundredth because we're looking at the tax in dollars right here. 16.23. That's all we need on that one. This original fraction right here, if you changed it into a decimal, that would have given you the sales tax percent. Well, it still is a decimal, but 10.22 divided by 170. It gave me the decimal 0.06011767. And again, when I put this in the assignment, I kind of tried both, the fraction and this one. I rounded to this 100 thousandths place value, and it gave me full credit for it. So